morning everyone. Welcome to another vlog. Today is Sunday and we are going to buy fish. Just reached Fish Mart. We are in Fish Mart. We couldn't find the fish what we wanted, so we are leaving this place and going to the other one. We are in Spar right now. It's always beautiful, well maintained. Here to buy fish. Look at this, how big it is. And some live fish. Done with the shopping, going home now. Okay guys, we have just reached home after busy shopping. Let's see. This is what we bought today. It's bangda, or you call it aila. Then we have matti, which is very tasty, and these are eggs of fish. This is the masala what we will be mixing now, and I'll show you how it look. Putting masala to the fishes, it will be very tasty. Once completed, we'll be frying it. Now I'll be showing once I complete putting masala to all the fishes now. See this. Okay guys, our fish with after marination is ready. This is bangda, these are the eggs, and these are matti after marination. Let's fry now. अच्छी कढ़ाई है। We have cooked and our fishes are ready. It tastes real great, good masala, and it looks great. Yummy, it tastes perfect. This was our Sunday special dish and it was perfect. And if you have liked the video, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the regular updates. And don't forget to like the video.